Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be covering the installation process of PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE used for Python development. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Until now, we were using basic idle shell. Idle means Integrated Development and Learning Environment, which is just used for programming practices and is not used for full application development. First of all, we need to go to the Google and search for PyCharm. The first link is jetbrains.com. We need to click on it. It will show something like this. We need to click on the download button. There are two versions of PyCharm. The first version it shows here is the unified product, which is the paid version of PyCharm. We don't need this. We will be using PyCharm Community Edition, which is totally free. So to download it, we simply need to click on this download button. It starts downloading PyCharm. I will not be downloading it again because I already have downloaded it. So it is the setup of PyCharm, and when I click on it, it starts the setup and it shows that current version of PyCharm Edition is already installed, as I have PyCharm on my PC. But I will be continuing and will click yes and then press next. Now at this stage, you need to specify the destination folder. It will select automatically the destination path, but for this video I will be selecting the D drive, which is not good. I recommend you guys to install it on your C drive. Then click next. Here you need to mark the desktop shortcut and create associations with .py and update the path variables like add bin folder to the path. Now click next. Now when you press install, it will start installing PyCharm Community Edition. I will not be installing it because I already have PyCharm Community Edition. Now if you search PyCharm, like here, it will be showing it in the search bar. It will also be created on the desktop as we mark to create the shortcut on the desktop. Now when you open PyCharm, something like this will appear in front of you. I have created many projects inside PyCharm, so it is showing me all this stuff. But on your PC, none of these projects will be showing. First, you need to create a new project and need to specify the location. So I will be creating a new directory with the name YouTube channel and will press OK. So it created a new directory with the name YouTube channel, and inside this directory I need to create a new project with the name hello and will press create. This is our project. Here we don't create any Python files. So first of all, we need to create a new Python file by clicking right on the hello project, and then in the new we need to click on Python file and we need to give it a name like hello. Anything with the .py extension is a Python file. So our first Python file in the PyCharm editor is created. This is our main project and this is our main Python file. Now we can start coding inside PyCharm. I will say that print double quotations and inside this hello. This is PyCharm. In order to execute this code, we need to click on this logo here, run hello.py. So when we click on it, it will start executing this code. Hello, this is PyCharm. If you want to change something like the font size of the editor, all you need to go is to the setting and search for fonts. So it is shown in here, and if I change the size like 13, 14 and click apply, it changes the size of my project window. Now if I change it again from 12 to 13, it will again change it. Okay, as you can see it in here. This is it for today's video. I hope you will understand the installation process of PyCharm. Thanks for watching the video.